Are you looking for the best welder for body work? In this video, we will break down the top 5 welders for body work on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Miller Electric 211, Best MIG Welder. The Miller Electric 211 dual voltage welder is the best portable machine for MIG welding automotive work available online. Most stock MIG guns fall below the standard for comfort and the most effective welding, but this stock gun is not far behind expensive aftermarket guns. The leads are 10 feet long, which isn't as long as most automotive welders would like, but again, for a stock torch, this is much longer than most original leads. The range of settings on this welder is extensive to ensure every part of your auto body project is welded effectively. There's a helpful chart on the inside of the welder door if you need it, and there's a plate gauge guide around the voltage dial, which is handy. At number 2. The Everlast PowerMTS 251C MIG TIG and Stick 250 amp 110 volts/220 volts. Everlast PowerMTS 251C welder is their latest 4th generation digitally controlled multi-process inverter welder and in my opinion the best welder for auto bodies. It is both a stick, arc welder, TIG, and MIG welder as standard but comes with added capabilities. It offers Synergy MIG, Pulse MIG, and Pulse TIG welding modes. Opposing multi-process welding units do not come with Pulse MIG and TIG welding options, giving the PowerMTS 251C an advantage. More so, it allows the user to choose between a touchless, high-frequency start or a lift start when using TIG mode. Furthermore, the stick mode provides additional adjustability with hot start intensity and hot start duration controls. At number 3. PRIMEWELD TIG 225X. This welder has surprised me more times than I can count. Firstly, TIG variants aren't budget-friendly. Any worthwhile TIG welder costs over $1,000. The usual price of a decent TIG welder resides in the $1,500 to $2,000 range. The PRIMEWELD TIG 225X turned my preconception upside down. The out-of-the-roof feature of this welder is the CTK Worldwide Flex Head. Once I unpacked the machine, I looked into the flex head and started questioning the authenticity of the flex head. If you're wondering why I'm making such a fuss around this, then you don't know the CTK flex head. The CTKs are literally the studs in the flex head world. At number 4. Lincoln Electric Easy MIG 140 plus 115 volt flux cord. This welder has excellent advantages, the first one being the fact that it uses a standard 120V power source. This means that it is ideal for use in the home and the novice welder. So when you are in the garage, you can safely use this welder in your automobile to finish off repair work. Operating it is simple due to the 2-knob tapped control that allows for an easy setup or gas-shielded MIG welding. It also has good safety features to avoid any accidents that may happen as a result of its use. It is able to weld both aluminum and steel. It comes with additional accessories or parts including a regulator and gas hose, welding wire and shielded gas. It also has a brass-to-brass gun connection that helps to enhance the conductivity. This welder is highly popular. At number 5. MIG Welder. It is a popular choice for chassis and bodywork as it has the potential to weld both aluminum and steel. A MIG welder is relatively easy to use, economical and causes less distortion as compared to any other welding machine. Even after use, cleaning of a MIG welder is not a hassle at all. Its ability to weld thin or thick metals equally well making it one of the preferred choices of auto mechanics. Most of the MIG welders come with a self-contained power unit carrying electrodes on a spool that is automatically fed at a pre-selected speed. This constant feeding is the best feature of a MIG welder as it allows burning and a correct fusion of the base and parent metal together. A MIG welder can easily be powered by a 120 volts source. The MIG welders available by different manufacturers in the market come along with certain accessories including a regulator, gas hose, welding wire, and shielded gas.